So change the thing to plus and make this very easy for me and you. Okay. Now let's solve this together. It says 4 raised to power x plus 1. Alright, let's solve these together. It says 4 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 20. We're required to solve for the value or values of x in this equation. Okay. Now, first things first, let's go ahead and write 4 and 20. Write out their multiples. So we have 4 to be equal to 2 squared, alright? Now 20 on the other hand is equal to 2 squared, which is 4 times 5. So we have 2 squared times 5 to be 20. Let's now replace this in this equation. So we have 2 squared, okay, raised to the power of what? X plus 1 to be equal to 2 squared times 5. Okay, now when you have a raised to power m plus n, it's equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. So we're going to have here that 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x multiplied by, okay, so multiplied by 2 raised to power 2, okay, all raised to the power of 1, which is 2 raised to power 2, is equal to 2 squared times 5. Okay, and you can see we have 2 raised to power 2 on both sides, you can cancel each other. So then we're left with 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x times 2 raised to power 2x to be equal to 5. Okay, now at this point you can see, let's go ahead and take the logarithm of both sides. So we have the logarithm of 2 raised to power 2x to be equal to the logarithm of 5. So moving on from here, we can say instead of us take the logarithm in base 10, let's say the logarithm in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x is 2. So we take the logarithm in base 2 of both sides. So we have logarithm in base 2 of both sides. Now, when we have logarithm of a to the power of b, it's equal to b multiplied by the logarithm of a. Okay. Now, applying this law here, we're going to have 2x multiplied by the logarithm of 2 to base 2 to be equal to logarithm of 5 to base 2. Okay. Now, logarithm of 2 to base 2 is 1. 1 times 2x is 2x to be equal to logarithm of 5 to base 2. Okay. Now, at this point, we can now say that our x finally is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by logarithm of 5 to base 2. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.